Hi guys, I hope you're doing well. As I promised you, I will be helping you. I will be giving you some answers and tips on how to solve past paper questions. This one question that comes up today that we're going to discuss about, it's from organic chemistry part. I've given these questions to my students before on April 30th as a way to prepare them for the IGCSE exam. The first part of this question, guys, today we'll try to explain about what is the meaning and what actually is the term that's called structural isomer. So in the first part of this question, as you can see, we have these two compounds A and B. Both of these compounds A and B have the same molecular formula, which means nothing else but both A and B contain 4 carbon atoms, as you can clearly see, and they also contain 10 hydrogens. If we just want to think for a second, we can both see that A and B are compounds. Am I right? So let's just start writing definition. So both A and B are definitely compounds. And just from the question, we can conclude that both of them have the same molecular formula as they both contain 4 carbon and 10 hydrogens. Let's go ahead, let's check that. How many carbons are in A? Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so that means it's correct. Let's check B. 1, 2, 3, 4. So indeed, both of them have 4 carbons. How about hydrogens? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So indeed, that is the case. And let's see, B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So both of them have 4 carbons, and they also contain 10 hydrogens. So based on this, we can conclude that structural isomers are nothing else but compounds which have the same molecular formula. The same molecular formula. Okay, now if we take a closer look at A and B, we can also see that A and B kind of look different. They differ in terms of their structure. They don't look the same. A kind of looks flat, but B is kind of branched. It doesn't really look the same. So we can also, based on that, conclude that A and B, although they have the same molecular formula, they actually have different structure, or they have different structural formula. So they have different structure, or they have different structural formula. If you manage to mention both of these parts, or the same molecular formula and different structural formula, this will bring you 2 marks. Each one of this will bring you obviously 1 mark. In total, this will bring you 2 marks, and this will be the way to answer the questions about the structural isomers. This question keeps appearing, so I find it very useful to you to explain you, and I will be providing a series of other videos to mention about all these parts and provide you additional help. Please feel free to drop any comments or suggestions below, and I'm looking forward to hearing from you.